How to add XRP on Trezor. Basically, first thing you want to do is install the Trezor suite. Download and install the app from the official website. Then connect the setup. Then you want to install or connect your Trezor hardware wallet to your computer and follow the on-screen instructions to set up the suite application. Then you want to activate your XRP account. So open the suite and navigate to the accounts section and locate and activate the XRP account. Then you want to generate receiving address. So simply just select the XRP account and click on the receive button. The Trezor device will display a receiving address, and this address should be visible within the Trezor Suite application. Then you want to verify the address. So make sure that the address displayed on your device with the address shown is the right one. Then they also match. So lastly, you want to send the XRP. So basically just go to the exchange or the platform where you currently hold your XRP and initiate a withdrawal. Then paste the verified address into the recipient address field. And then check for the tag and confirm and complete. And lastly, you just want to verify the transaction and make sure everything is confirmed on the blockchain and the XRP should appear in your Trezor Suite XRP account. That's how simple it is. Simply just connect, install, transfer, and then you can make the most of your XRP.